Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts to Google Slides. Even though Google Slides comes with a lot of default fonts, using custom fonts really helps your presentations stand out and look much more professional. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, open the presentation you want to edit and select the text you want to change. This could be a slide title, a heading, or just regular body text. It doesn't matter which. The steps are the same, and it's really quick to apply. Once your text is selected, look up at the toolbar at the top and click the font dropdown. You'll see all the default Google fonts listed there. They're fine, but if you want something a little more unique, there's an easy way to get more options. At the very top of the font list, click on More Fonts. This opens a new window with hundreds of fonts available in Google Fonts. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find exactly what you're looking for. When you find a font you like, just click on it to add it to your font list. It's added immediately, and now it'll appear in your font dropdown whenever you want to use it. You can add as many fonts as you like, so you'll always have your favorites ready. Once the custom font is added, go back to your text, open the font dropdown, and select your new font. Your text updates instantly, and you can see how it looks on your slide. One quick tip is to keep your fonts consistent across slides. Using too many different fonts can make your presentation look messy, so pick one or two that match your design style and stick with them. You can also set your favorite fonts as default for future presentations, which saves time if you use Google Slides a lot. And that's basically it. Adding custom fonts is super simple, really quick, and makes your slides feel much more polished and unique. It's one of those little tricks that instantly improves the look of your presentation. So yeah, hope this helped, and thanks for watching. Keep experimenting with different fonts to find what works best for your slides, and your presentations will look amazing every time.